Welcome to beautiful Bird Bay Village, known for its luscious foliage. My name is Joey Hodson from Keller Williams on the Water, and today we're taking a video tour of Unit 1204, which has been freshly painted and ready for immediate occupancy. As you come in the foyer, you'll see there's a little alcove, followed by a huge pantry closet or entry closet, whichever way you choose to use it. Across the hall, we find the kitchen, which has a tile floor, a brand new dishwasher, range, and brand new fridge. Looking through the pass-through, we see the dining area and living area and the gorgeous view beyond. The living room, as you can see, has easy care laminate and the dining room chandelier. And there are designer drapes and a bamboo sunshade. And beyond that, the tiled lanai and deck. We'll visit there again in a moment. Off we go to the master bedroom, which you can see is also tiled. There is a slider leading to the lanai. And it also has an ample walk-in closet. Next is the master bath. As you can see, we have an updated vanity, designer tile floor, and a walk-in shower. And now to probably the most appealing feature of this unit, the view. We're on the ground floor here, so it makes it easy for you to take your pet outside. No carrying groceries upstairs. This is a building with an elevator, but no need for that on the ground floor. And the lanai is a nice size. Room for plenty of furniture and for entertaining. Here we are on the composite deck. And I'm going to take a shot of it from the far end and then pan to what's called the Fountain Lake in Bird Bay, where you can sit and enjoy the peace and quiet of nature, or you can entertain your guests and enjoy the lovely view. Let's go back in again to the lanai and take a look at the convenience of the laundry area. Now, the kitchen appliances are brand new. They've never been used. The dishwasher, the refrigerator, and the range. The washer, however, was installed in 2018, so it is almost new. This can be closed off. And this is showing the detail of the beaded curtain in the master bedroom. And with that, we're off to see the guest quarters. They are private from the master. They're at the front of the condominium. And as you see, the guest bath and hallway are also tiled, and it features an updated vanity, just like the master bath. And here we have the guest bedroom. It's a little hard to see in this video with the window being open, but it has been painted recently, a very cheery yellow. And here you have the walk-in closet for the guest bedroom with designer shelving. With that, we conclude this video tour of 1204 Bird Bay Way, and I invite you to schedule your appointment for private viewing or stop by during one of our open houses. We thank you for your time today, and this is Joey Hodson, and we're signing off from the Fountain Lake at beautiful Bird Bay. Thank you.